So today we're gonna do a Q&A of who knows who's best, yes? So who knows Ayla's favorite food?
Oh,
Blueberries, fruit.
she likes fruits and veggies.
Ow! Ow!
What?
Nothing. Right? Hold on. Sit down, sit! Sit down! Yeah, who know daddy?
The
Favorite. Stop! I think
roti.
Hey, that's favorite food. Pizza! Planet! Stop looking at me! No!